If you suspect an ancestor was incarcerated in Gloucester Prison, stay tuned and we'll suggest how you may find out.
My name's Mike.
And I'm Teresa, his better half.
Hello folks, and welcome to the channel.
Today we're at Gloucester Prison, one of the most haunted and paranormally active places in Great Britain.
A place that has seen death, fear,
Pain, suicide and incarceration.
Welcome to Gloucester Prison.
Built on the site of Gloucester Castle, the prison was opened in 1792, housing villains of every kind, including children like 7-year-old Edgar Kilminster, convicted of stealing. It was also a place of execution, with over 120 taking place, with corpses of the convicted buried in the prison grounds. Early hangings took place on Saturdays, using a portable scaffold, which was placed on the gatehouse roof so the event could be witnessed by large crowds. The victims were left hanging for an hour before being taken down and placed in an open coffin. By 1912, public hangings had ceased, and a new hanging shed was built onto the end of A block. The condemned prisoner cells, located next to the old hanging shed, is apparently where most paranormal activity usually occurs. And of course, that's exactly where Teresa wanted to go. Thank goodness we visited during the day. I wasn't keen being in the condemned cell, and certainly not with the door shut, even if I did have company.
Not even a bed.
Walking around the prison, you'll notice the decorative brackets supporting the footwells are shaped into serpents, and these represent evil. Directly above the serpents, the railing supports come down in the shape of a lion's paw, effectively pinning down the serpent. It is a beautiful representation of historic symbolism, portraying a fight between good and evil. One ghost in particular that people continually report is that of a woman by the name of Jenny. Jenny was never a prisoner. She was killed on the grounds long before the prison was even erected, and a spirit is said to roam around looking for her killer. In 1969, a group of inmates conducted a séance in cell 25 of A Wing in an attempt to contact the ghost of Jenny, and got more than they bargained for when books and even a flower pot were thrown around the cell by a supernatural force.
I found some interesting graffiti.
Disney characters, and we think they're probably original because they're like old-fashioned.
Having previously visited the prison, Teresa and I were a little disappointed not all of the prison was accessible on the open day. We particularly wanted to revisit C Block, which is extremely creepy, and the debtors part of the prison with its old graffiti. Earlier in the video, we said we'd suggest how you could find out if an ancestor had been incarcerated in Gloucester Prison. The website Ancestry has detailed archived Gloucester prison documents, and this is where our pictures of inmates originated. It's also how we know 7-year-old Edgar was incarcerated with his 9-year-old brother Joseph.
Okay folks, hope you enjoyed our little tour of Gloucester Prison.
Please let us know in the comments if you've identified an ancestor in the prison. If you have enjoyed the video, please remember to give us a like. Or even better, if you want to follow future videos, please remember to subscribe.
Thanks for now, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!